Hey everyone, it's Cashew, and welcome to another edition of Fiery Fridays, where I review hot sauces and spicy snacks. And as you can see, I'm outside at a park, taking advantage of the nice weather. It's supposed to rain this weekend, and I thought today would be an ideal opportunity for me to film a hot sauce review or two. And today, I'm going to take a look at a scorpion sauce by Heartbeat Hot Sauce Company out of Thunder Bay, Ontario. And I've never tried this hot sauce before. I've never tried this company's product before, and I'm looking forward to it. And for those of you who like the stats, this is has 5 calories per teaspoon, 0 saturated fats, 0 trans fats, 95 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram of total carbs, and 0 sugars. And on the ingredients, it includes vinegar, red peppers, habaneros, beets, onion, garlic, Trinidad Scorpion Peppers, Chipotles, and Adobo. And it does have sugar though. So it's interesting. This has 0 grams of sugar, but it does contain sugar. It has salt, tomato paste, smoke essence, salt, lemon juice, canola oil, and spices. So this has quite a bit in it. And I've never tried this before, as I said. I want to try this out. I'm going to put it on a spoon, see how it tastes, and then I'll put it on a tortilla chip. I'll give you my review. All right, here we go. It smells really good. It has a very rich, smoky smell to it. And I'm guessing that must be the chipotle. I can smell a little bit of the tomato. So here we go. Cheers. It's a good hot sauce. It would be good on pretty much anything you'd want to put it on, but I'm not too sure about the heat. It says here on the scale, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'll try if I can. Probably not. It says it's hot, and they have mild, medium hot, extra hot. Honestly, I would put this at a mild for me. Now, if you're not used to hot sauces, this might have a little more heat for you, but I would say for me, this is like a 1. And it tastes good. I can taste the chipotle and the adobo. I can taste a little bit of the tomato, maybe a little bit of the onion. Let me see how it tastes with a tortilla chip. Put a lot on this, see what happens. It tastes good. I taste more of the chipotle than I do the scorpion pepper, but it's a little disappointing as far as the heat goes. I would still recommend this, but if you want something that really has a kick to it, this is not the sauce for you. I would pick something else. But this is a good sauce. It does have a nice kind of finish of heat in the back of your throat. And if you like sauces that have a smoky flavor to it, this is definitely something I would recommend. This is, yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's good, a good sauce. If you want something with a lot of kick to it, you're going to be disappointed, but I would say, yeah, this is a good sauce, and I think you would enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.